In this video, I am going to give you the full review of Mauno AU-A04 USB condenser microphone kit full review, which is very popular among the new YouTubers. So let's get started. So here in the box you can see in the back side there is written the specification. This is cardioid microphone and the pattern, polar pattern is given there. It captures the audio from the front and reject the background noise from the back, and it is a full pack. That's mean you will get boom arm and as well as pop filter. So here it is written up to 16 kilohertz you will get from 30 hertz, and there is also written the specification, that is a 192 kilohertz and 24 bit sound. So here you can see the price is written there 6,000 rupees and have been imported by Appario Retail, and here you can see it is written clearly made in China, because maybe your country is busy making temples, that's why you have to import the product from China. So remember, this microphone does not have any warranty. Whatever written in Amazon, forget about it. There is no warranty. Inside the box you will get some QR code, that's mean the contact support, and Facebook page is there. I have sent one SMS or message to the Facebook page, didn't get any reply from Mauno, and with that there will be a user manual is given there. In the user manual it will be written all in 3 language, and there will be the specification details again is written there, and with the photo all the part how you have to assemble and how you have to talk in the front or in the Mauno logo in the mic where it is, you have to talk from that side. So all this setting is given there, and it is supported with Linux, Windows and Mac, so no problem with your operating system, and also supporting Android operating system also using USB OTG. Here you will get one WinFoam, one pop filter, and pop filter is double layered, so it is also very good, and all the equipment is made of metal. So not top notch quality, but yeah, very good quality of metal. So for the new YouTubers this kit is very good. So here you can see table mount you will get, and before going to further in the video, and I have to say that it is cost 3,000 rupees in India. In the offer or any kind of big billion day or any sale, you will get something priceless. So if you are getting in 3,000 rupees, go for it. Don't pay anything extra above 3,000 rupees. So here you can see this is the mic holder you can say, and with that 2.5 meter USB type A to type B cable. This is basically a printer cable, so if you broke your USB cable here, you can use any kind of printer cable you can buy from local market. And here it is the boom arm. Boom arm is very good quality, but it is quite small in size, but as a new YouTuber this is more than enough. So the total length, if it is straight, it will be around 87 centimeters. So this is very good, because all those things inside 3,000 rupees you are getting inside a single box, which is needed basically as new YouTubers. So that's why this kit is only for the new YouTubers. So here you can see this will be inserted in the table socket, whatever table mount is there, and this is our main unit, Mauno AU-A04. This has 2 versions. It is a full kit version, another one is the tabletop or tripod version. So both are same, both mic are same. So here you can see this is the full metal body. In the front there is a Mauno logo, and in the back there is no logo is there, and in the bottom there is the USB socket jack is there. So interestingly you can open it from the bottom side. So just to remove anti-clockwise this cap, and from the inside you will get the in-depth look of the chipset used here. So it is written also 2020 in the May month it has been manufactured. AU-A04 model is written there, some capacitor is there, some chip is there. There is 4 wires coming down to the USB and 2 wires coming up to the condenser mic. And the interesting thing is that they have used Realtek sound card. Yes, they have used Realtek sound card. I have watched very carefully. There is, you can see the Realtek logo is there, and they have used the Realtek sound chipset. So not at all this is a very poor quality mic. This is very good quality mic because they have used some branded Realtek chip. So that's all inside the mic you can see here, and here it is. Also you will get some zip tie to attach your USB wires to the boom arm. Now the assembling part. First of all, you have to mount the table socket or table mount clip here. Here you can see how you have to attach it. Just take it any left or right side, whatever you are familiar with, take there. Just insert your table mount. This table mount, after inserting, you have to attach the boom arm or long arm, whatever you said. So you have to attach it in this way. After that, just tighten up. Then you have to attach the socket or the microphone holder. Here you can see how you can take it up, take it down, take it right, take it left. So that's all. So first of all, after doing that, you have to attach the mic holder. So mic holder, here you can see you have to spin it right clockwise. So you have to spin many times because it is quite a bit hard. Not hard, it is quite a bit spin. So after all this thing, here you can see how your setup will looks like. Here you can see two computers there, that is, it is looking not good. But if you have one computer there, it will looks very good. And remember, don't forget to attach wind foam. They officially Mauno also recommends you to use the wind foam because this wind foam will remove more noise. It will reject the noise more if you use this wind foam. And here you can see how it looks like. So after that, you have to attach this 2.5 meter USB cable. Cable quality is very good, and this is my final setup. Here you can see, and you can see how I can change the direction or position of the mic, left, right, top, down, everything I can do here. So that's all in the setting. Right now what I am going to do, I am going to record one voice clip which will be raw. That's mean without any edited. So without unedited version, let's hear it.
This sample audio is being recorded using Mauno AU-A04 microphone, and right now it is being recorded at 176 kHz at 24-bit sample rate, and this audio is unedited raw sound clip. That's mean it is not being post edited or live edited, so you can easily understand how much noise it can capture and what is the sound quality of this microphone. And remember, I am now using this microphone with Windows 10 operating system, and the gain is 80%. This is not 100%, this is 80%. I am now.
So there is noise there, background noise. To remove background noise, we have to use two software. First of all, you have to use VV Audio Cable or VV Audio Cable, whatever is there. Just download. This is a free software. I will give the description. After that, VV input, VV output, and your microphone all have to be set the same frequency rate. So here it is the 176 kHz and 24-bit. I have set all these three equipment or three devices, virtual input, virtual output, and the mic, USB condenser mic, at 176 kHz 24-bit. Then you have to download the Reaper software. Reaper is 60 days free trial, but you can uninstall or install and use it for lifetime free. So here you can see you have to check the input as VV cable. Your output will be VV cable input, but your input will be directly USB condenser mic. I will give one FX chain file. You have to import that chain file inside the Reaper software. Here you can see you can load or import that file. I will give the file in the description. Just download it and import it. After import, there will be 3 or 4 effects. Here you can see, don't change any other effects, but the first effect will be the noise cancellation. So there is a tick button is there. Just click, hold 5 to 10 seconds. It will capture all the real-time noise. Just be quiet on 10 seconds. After that, just untick again and just start recording. Your all the noise will be discarded, and as well as your audio will be improved. Then in the output, select the output stereo. then all the Reaper software work is there. You can record your audio like Audacity inside the Reaper using the red button, or you can open Audacity or Premiere Pro, whatever you use, or Skype video call. Just select, instead of selecting the USB condenser mic, select the VV audio output. This means the edited filter out audio will be selected, and the bottom you can check the 176 kHz I have selected, and when I talk right now there is no noise you can see in the Audacity. So right now I am going to attach the edited clip here.
This sample audio is being recorded using Mauno AU A04 microphone, and the voice or the audio being recorded is live edited using Reaper software. So you can get how the Reaper software will remove your background noise and will make your sound crisper and clear, so that you can use the live edited audio clip in any kind of Discord gaming, live streaming or Skype video call.
So that's all in this video. If you want to buy this microphone, I have given the Best Buy link in the description. If you buy from there, it will help this channel. Thanks a lot for watching this video. If you are facing any problem, don't forget to comment, and don't forget to subscribe to Home Tips to get more videos like this. Thanks a lot for watching this video. Stay home, stay safe. I'm going to meet you in my next video, where I will compare this Mauno mic with very famous Snowball Ice microphone. Till then, goodbye, take care.